guys, welcome to the Light Crypto. So in today's tutorial, I want to talk about how to swap your Cpen to USDT or probably BNB. So the first thing you must do is to get a gas fee in BNB and transfer it into your app. So I want to take note of something, that if you are using MetaMask, you are using Trust Wallet, or any kind of wallet you are using, just follow this process. Follow it step by step, and you will get it exactly the way I'm going to do it in this video. So it's very important that you know that all the applications are the same thing. All the wallets are operating the same way. So they are operating the same way. So now, diving into it, like I said, you need to get a gas fee for yourself, BNB worth of at least $1. If you don't want to, I think between $0.5 worth of BNB or $1 will be enough. So the next thing you have to do is to click on Discover. So if you are on MetaMask, you have to click on the browser. So in most cases, the browser will be at the center here. So, but in this case, because we are using Trust Wallet, I'm using Trust Wallet because MetaMask is very slow. So you just have to click on Discover. So now, prior to this time, you must have copied your, what is it called, contract address. Cpen contract address is very important. You are going to need that Cpen contract address. So you click on Discover. So now, once you enter Discover, this is how it's going to be. On MetaMask, you are going to see something like portfolio.metamask.io. But in Trust Wallet, you don't see anything, just a search bar. So you click on that search bar and you will type pancake swap dot finance. Pancakeswap.finance. Make sure that there is no space between pancake and swap, or there is no space at all. Make sure there is no space at all, then you send it. So you wait for it to load. So while we are waiting for it to load, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube. If you click from X account, please kindly follow me on X account for more updates like this. So the next thing you have to do is to connect your wallet. So you must connect your wallet. So you have to connect your, and make sure you are on BNB Smart Chain Network. So if you get to this place, if you are not seeing this logo, then you can click on that area. You click there and see all the network. Let me just click. Also, these are the network. Then you can change it to BNB Smart Chain or BNB Chain. Here is the BNB Chain. You change it to BNB Chain. Very important, because the Cpen is built on BNB. So don't let us forget, we must connect our wallets. So even if you're on MetaMask, this is how it's going to show. So the next thing is you have to connect your wallet. So I'm going to connect wallet. I'm going to click on connect. So we are on Trust Wallet, so you click on Trust Wallet. If you are on MetaMask, you click on MetaMask. If you are on any other wallet, click on the name of that wallet. So it's going to connect. It's going to connect. So we have to wait for it to connect right now. So let me just wait. So it has successfully connected. So if you check this place, you can see it has been connected. Like it's connected now. So now what we want to do now is to swap the Cpen. You can see there's no Cpen here. We only have BNB. So you can swap it to BNB. You can also swap it to USDT, as I said earlier. So now you need to let this BNB come down to where there is pancake swap. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on this middle arrow. So I'll click on the middle arrow to let the BNB come down while pancake swap. Then so the next thing is I'll click on this pancake, or cake rather. So I'm going to click on cake. So that's the pancake swap official token. So I'm going to click on cake. So okay. So I'll click on cake. I'll click on it. I think it's a bit slow. Yeah. So now fine. So it will show you this. Now for you to search Let me go back there. It's not supposed to come with USDT. Alright, so in order for you to search for the Cpen token, you need to copy the contract address and paste it here. So now I have to go back and copy the contract address, then I will continue this video. Or probably I will leave it around the video, whether on my YouTube channel or on my X account. So please kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on X. I really need your follow or please to encourage me. So I've copied the contract address. So I'm back right here. So now you are going to click the search and paste in the contract address. So I'm going to paste in the contract address and wait for a few seconds for it to be searched out. So I think it's still loading, so it's taking a little time. So I've pasted the contract address, and you can see here is the Cpen token. So I don't have any balance in my Cpen, so which is fine. It doesn't mean so. If you have balance, you will see everything. You will see your balance. It will pop up here. So now I want you to take note of something. If you are pasting the contract address or the Cpen contract address for the first time, it's going to pop up like import. It will pop up import. It will ask you to import it first. So it's not popping up because I've imported it before. So you click on that import. Once you click on that import, there will be a box around here. There's going to be a box, something like this. Then you just have to click on it and it's going to check like this. Then you will see another import under it like this. Then you click on that import. So automatically your Cpen is going to import. So once it imports, you just click on it like this. So when you click on that Cpen, just wait, then you can see now I have Cpen and I also have BNB. So here's Cpen and here is BNB. Now, if you want to swap to BNB, so you go ahead and do what? And type the amount you want to swap, and or you can also click on max. So, or you type the amount you want to swap. If you want to swap everything, you click on max. If you want to swap 50%, you click on 50%. So then, if you don't want to swap on BNB, if you just want to swap on USDT so that it can be stable, so it won't be going up and down because BNB doesn't stable in one place. So you still have to click on BNB and change BNB to USDT. So I'm going to click on that. So then you click on USDT. So here is USDT. So you click on it, then you will have your USDT. You have your USDT, you can see it like this. So the Cpen has to be at the top, while the USDT will be below, because you want to swap from Cpen to USDT or from Cpen to BNB. So don't forget, you must have what is it called, gas fee of BNB. So now it's showing max. You can see max. You can click on max 50% or 25%, either of the three, or you can simply type the amount you want to sell. For instance, if I have maybe up to 1,000 or thereabouts, I can type 1,000. So I think it's a bit slow right now. So so just go ahead. So that's 10,000. I type 10,000. So forget about this price right now that is showing. The price is not an official price. So when it is launched, you see the official price of Cpen. But for now, it has not been launched, so don't panic, don't worry. So let's just wait for the official price. So once you can see it's still loading. It's trying to load the balance for me here. Swap here. Then you click on swap. Then you also see confirm swap. Then you click on confirm swap. So once you confirm it, you will see your Cpen and the amount of Cpen being converted to USDT, or you will see it converted to BNB. In case if you want to swap into BNB, whichever it's better. So can you follow step everything that I have done? Then you can send your USDT to anywhere and sell. So on the light crypto today, this is where I'm going to stop. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube, and please kindly follow me on my page on X. I would like to say bye for now.